This is the 43rd owner of the motorcycle, right? You are the 43rd.
No, it's 44th.
That's a joke, right? Is that a joke?
It's not a joke, it's a reality. Go for a 4-stroke, go for a Duke or KTM.
No, I don't recommend.
You
Go
don't
for
recommend?
2-stroke. So the good thing about this meter is you can get the speedometer, you can get the tachometer, that means RPM, and you also have the fuel gauge. Suzuki Samurai engine with a Shogun exhaust.
People will say RXZ 5-speed, RXZ has a 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh market.
Hey guys, it's your MotoGod. Welcome back with brand new video, and you can see the ex-owner of my 135. Previously, he is the owner of that motorcycle, and his name was Kiran, and very good friend of mine.
But first time I took only, especially for the Tarun. Actually,
That's
his
not
name
like
is Tarun, not
Yeah.
MotoGod.
Yeah.
For you, he is MotoGod. For me, he is Tarun.
I know all the struggle. I didn't say in the camera, but right now I'm saying he went to RTO. There is a little bit confusion between the chassis number and engine number. So I didn't involve anything. He used to roam like 3 or 4 days continuously and get the work done for me. And the motorcycle doesn't have the cat silencer, but I requested him, please give the cat silencer. He's like, okay, come on, take it. Then I got the cat silencer too. And right now we got another motorcycle, Suzuki Samurai, and it's kind of a motocross type of motorcycle. Is doing it personally, so I'll show the motorcycle right now. So the moment of truth, this is the motorcycle that we have been talking about, and this is Suzuki Samurai. Which model, bro? Which year?
1998.
1998 model. And when you got this motorcycle after selling RX, you got it immediately, or you have waited for this motorcycle?
Actually, after selling that motorcycle, I bought a Max 100R.
Okay, you got the Max and R, and then so you sold that, and then you got this motorcycle. Why particularly getting this motorcycle and selling the Max 100?
The particular reason is I bought a Max 100R.
Okay.
So I was in a plan to modify it like a Shogun. But after that, why can't I'm looking for Samurai since 2 or 2.5 years with the valid papers. But I never found that, luckily.
Okay.
So later, after getting that, I seen a OLX, a post which is Suzuki valid by Samurai.
Yeah. So this is the motorcycle. So what are the mods that you have been done on this motorcycle? Let our viewers know.
First thing is the meter.
So first thing is meter, right? So you can see which motorcycle meter is this?
It's a kinetic.
So it's a kinetic. Any model specification? Kinetic motorcycle, right?
Kinetic Challenger or boss? I exactly don't know.
So you put a sticker over here.
Yes.
So basically it's written as kinetic over here, but you remove the case and you put a Suzuki.
Actually, what you need to do is the meter. Just look in this one.
Okay.
It won't show the exact figure because it's a 1.1 ratio or 1.6 ratio. If you go in 20 speed, it will show you 45
speed.
or 60 speed.
Okay.
But I installed a Suzuki Samurai once.
Okay.
Inside.
So inside the meter internals are Samurais.
Fuel gauge. Which
So okay. So the good thing about this meter is you can get the speedometer, you can get the tachometer, that means RPM, and you also have the fuel gauge. And one thing I want to say about this, on a normal Suzuki Samurai, there are 2 variants, one with the fuel gauge and one with nothing, like Shoguns. So he changed the tank and you got the fuel gauge tank, right?
Yes.
So this is a fuel gauge sensor tank. That means it has a sensor in the tank, so you can directly connect these connections to the meter. So
Thanks to my brother, Sharat Chandra Chaudhary.
So
He's from Kamam. He helped me a lot to get this tank.
Okay.
And even if you install the kinetic meter, you need, after changing it also, it won't work. But you need to do some R&D and some modifications on RPM to show exact.
So you have to do the modifications to the RPM meter as well.
Yes.
So to get the
even lot of the people don't know.
Okay.
They will find for RPM. Even you can get a pulsar. It will shows the exact. You need a tuning.
So
that's it. Simple.
Okay. So you can install a Pulsar 150 Classics. This RPM meter also.
Actually, both are same. Suzuki Shogun and Pulsar Classic one. Both machines are same.
Okay. So the internals are almost same. You just have to tune it a bit so that it will work. And the next thing I can see was the handlebar. Is this a Shogun handlebar?
Yes, it's a Shogun handlebar. And the mudguard I was installed off-road time. It was lying in my home
So
since 2 or 3 years.
So you got it right. And this is where he connected. You can see
the main thing is I installed a Fiero disc setup.
So this is the Fiero disc setup which was on the left side, right?
Yeah, actually I have 2 or 3 hubs. I'm planning to sell. If anyone wants, I'll give this hub because I'm going to install a Suzuki ZS setup.
So
only hub and the forks, and I
Okay.
don't have any pipes.
So you want to sell this setup. This is the Suzuki Fiero. He also have a few other Suzuki Fiero hubs, right?
Yeah.
So if you want that, you can message him. I'll leave his Instagram in the description.
Even I have a Shogun block kit, which is for only purely made for racing purpose.
And which piston it has, bro?
It has an imported CS piston.
Oh, CS piston. You know, my Shogun used to have this CS piston, which was absolutely insane if you compare with the power.
Even for the piston,
Okay.
you need to roam. No one will get that. It's a purely
Yeah.
imported original one.
Maybe that piston is particularly is there in the Thailand or Indonesia, right? So that's an imported piston. So you have the Suzuki Shogun block with CS piston purely for performance. If anyone wants, please DM him. I'll leave the Instagram in the description. You can
And
check it
don't
out.
make it for any time pass.
So the board that he was selling was a freshly reboard, not
I'm
used.
just used for
yet.
100 kilometers, I think. Just tested that how's the
Okay,
performance.
only around 100 kilometers done. So he also changed the silencer. You can see this is Suzuki Shogun silencer, right?
Yes.
And with the Shogun muffler. So now these are the Shogun mirrors, and he also installed 2T oil pump.
2T oil pump.
Yeah. Now we're gonna listen the Suzuki Samurai engine with a Shogun exhaust. How it sounds.
So I don't want to make it a high lift because I freshly reboarded. Even you can see the RPM.
So now you can see the RPM also. It's working, and we stopped the engine, and we are not revving the motorcycle because yesterday itself the engine got rebored. And what's the size that you are running on the motorcycle, bro?
0.25.
So it's previously it's a stock bore. So now you reboard the first rebore. This is the first rebore officially. And which piston you used? Goetz, right? How you got, bro? All the parts and everything. So it's an old box, right? Box type of tin can type. So you got lucky, you got the good spares. And one good thing about me today, I got the made in Japan rings. I showed you, and I also made a video on it. I think you guys already watched it because after uploading that video, this video is going to come out.
Even I have a KB100 pistons.
So-
Anyone want DM me?
Okay, he also have the KB100 piston. So if you are interested, please DM him.
Never spend more on two strokes.
Don't spend too much, guys. Like
Even I bought the motorcycle which I was gave to Tarun. It's my 42nd bike.
40-second bike, 40-second two stroke.
42nd. I lost lot of time and patience. Even I got angry on today because I was supposed to install a
Disc brake.
caliper.
You can see there is no
The
caliper.
work is- my work is getting lag, and I'm getting frustrated with these silly reasons.
Because of this, what it called, the mechanics and the spare dealers, we are irritated so much. So this is the 43rd owner of the motorcycle, right? You are the 43rd.
No, it's a 44th.
44th motorcycle. You know how much these passionate bikers, but finally got fed up with the mechanics too. You know, I also faced a lot of issues with the mechanics previously.
It is the best. It is
Yeah.
the best. Even people say SAM piston is big. If you set a proper clearance,
Okay.
each and every piston is good. But
But-
I personally don't recommend any PP or Ambika pistons for Shoguns. It will cease.
Yeah, those are the low build quality pistons, right? And you also installed the Shogun headlight.
So spending on two stroke is not worth. Travel alone or travel visit some other places or go and find or meet with Aishwarya Rai. Spend on money like that, you will get something.
That's a joke, right? Is that a joke?
It's not a joke. It's a reality.
Okay, and you have to install the caliper, and then you have to repaint the motorcycle. And what are the
Spending a lot of money. Even I don't know.
Yeah, he said like when he got the motorcycle, he used to say like, I'll only spend around 10,000 bucks. I'll rebuild it completely. But right now he spent over 25k. You can't really see on the motorcycle how much you spent.
25K, maybe 20k or 18k.
Okay, and to wrap up the video, I want to say something like don't invest 40k, 50k on a not valid motorcycle. So that's what the
Really,
mistake.
people are shit, man, because they won't get a proper motorcycle. Really,
Yeah.
it's not worth for. Even people will say RXZ 5-speed, RXZ has a 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh market. But why can't they sell even for 70k? In OLX, you can see for RXZ 5-speed for
Yeah.
1 lakh, 1 lakh 10,000.
Yeah, the sellers will say 1 lakh, why 1.5?
No
For-
one will buy. No one will buy. Go for a 4-stroke. Go for a Duke or KTM.
No, I don't recommend.
You
Go
don't
for
recommend?
2-stroke.
As a 2-stroker, if you want a complete machine, which is
I mean, you completely fed up with this.
no, I won't say like that.
Okay.
Even if I well settled in my film career, I'll go for.
Yeah,
a
you know,
good Shogun.
you when you got the money, you'll forget these 2-stroke missions. That's what you are saying to my
No,
audience?
no, not like
Never
that.
miss this
Never
2-stroke.
have a 2-stroke.
Okay.
My last 2-stroke is Suzuki. I want to hold it
Okay, this
until
one.
my lifetime.
So you want to hold it for the lifetime. You don't want to sell
I
it.
don't want to sell it. Even it's on my name.
So that's the dedication. So I have to say one more thing about his. Don't take it personally. But whenever he comes to my home, he'll come with an accident. But fortunately, he didn't came. He was all good today. Or else he used to become like, oh, bro, open the gate. I have some injuries. Like,
Yeah, I
It-
came only one time, man.
no, 2 times.
Ah, sorry, 2 times.
2 or 3 times maybe.
2 or 3 times.
So
Just only 2 times.
yeah, 2 times, 3
I
times.
won't ride a very fast, brother, because first time I got hit by auntie.
Okay. Risky to ride. So this is all about the video, guys. I'll see you guys in my next one. Until then, peace.